Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video of F Tech Care. Sebastian coming right at you again. So today we've actually got something quite special here on our hands. This is a keyboard, which is nothing special in today's world where everything runs on keyboards and mouses. However, this one is actually from the last millennium. So this is called Keyboard 2000. And as you can probably tell by the packaging here, it is already very old. Now on the back here, it gives us a small hint onto how old it is by saying that it is Windows 2000 compatible, which probably means it's even older than that. So we think it's from about 1998, 1999, somewhere around that time. And this is actually still in its original packaging. It hasn't been used. We think it's USB, but we're not sure. We're going to find that out today with you guys. We found this in the attic and we are very curious to see what it looks like from the inside. Here you can see it's very nicely drawn on here with some nice effects on the script. Yeah, enjoy every touch, says right here. To enjoy every touch with the logo of the Internet Explorer, which is very outdated, which doesn't even exist in that form today anymore. So let's dive right into this bad boy. Alright, so we will just open this bad boy up. Wow, it actually looks much nicer than I thought it would. I would have thought that it's a little bit yellow, the cable at least is. So let us see what this bad boy looks like. I'm just gonna put that out of the way here. Now, since we're living in Europe or in a German-speaking country, we have a QWERTZ type layout instead of the QWERTY layout. So don't wonder about that. We have 3 hotkeys here. Power, sleep and wake up, which will probably do exactly what they say. It also says that on the back of the packaging right there, so you can power on your display or your PC, put it in sleep mode and wake it back up to maybe consume less power. It actually is already USB. Looks like a very old type of USB port or connector here. It's a decently long cable. I don't know what to say about it. We've got the @ sign here for the emails. We've got a full-size numpad, obviously. It doesn't actually feel too bad typing on it. Let me just... So, well, okay, no. It's compared to modern keyboards such as maybe the Logitech, what's it called, Master something, I don't know what it's called. Wow, this feels much nicer. Yeah, the keyboard travel, the key travel, as well as, well, just the whole feel of it feels much nicer on the new one. But I mean, to be fair, there's like 20 years between those two. Obviously, this one doesn't have Bluetooth either, which is to be expected, to be fair. But other than that, we actually have pretty much everything we have on the newer keyboard as well. So there should be no buttons missing. Yeah, we actually have another function key here, which we miss here on this side. But we have it here. Okay. So, and we don't have the power and sleep and wake up buttons up here. However, we do have some buttons that can be configured how you like them, which is also possible on the old keyboard. If we press the function button with F12, we can then reset all of these 3 buttons to whatever we like. Yeah. What else is there to say? I don't think. Another thing to mention, I mean, obviously you don't feel it, but this feels very light. Even compared to today's modern, cheaper keyboards, this feels very, very light. So it doesn't feel that high quality. But again, this was 20 years ago when computers weren't so mainstream and people didn't maybe pay so much attention to these types of details. Now, that being said, I think it's time to wrap this up. We will at one point try to use it on our computer to show you exactly what it's like to use it on a day-to-day basis, but not today. We're going to leave you waiting for that. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. One thing to mention here is that I only noticed now the enter button looks quite interesting compared to something newer. I don't know, the shape of it just looks quite fun. Yeah, that's it. That's all of it. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Love you.